Black Friday is one of the most awaited shopping event of the year for many people around the world, and international students in Australia are no different. So if you are someone who is planning to shop till you drop on a Black Friday, this is an important video for you, as we are going to talk about what Black Friday is, what are some of the popular deals that come around during Black Friday, when actually is Black Friday, and some tips and tricks to save you some money. Now let's get started with the first part, which is what is Black Friday? So Black Friday is the day following the Thanksgiving Day in the United States, and it is often regarded as the start of Christmas shopping season. So on this specific Friday, many retailers offer huge discounts to the consumers to kick off the shopping season for Christmas. And people usually find many bargains and deals during this Friday. Now some of you might be wondering why it is called Black Friday. Now it was believed that the term Black Friday was originated in 1960s. The usual point about calling it Black Friday is because at this time of the year, usually retailers move from the red, which is they were in loss, to the black, which is they're going to be in the profit. So moving from the red to the black, that's why they call it Black Friday. The next question is, when is Black Friday? As I mentioned, it is the day following the Thanksgiving Day. So in America, it will be the last Friday of November. And in 2023, that will be on 24th of November. And apart from Black Friday, there is also a thing called Cyber Monday, which is usually the Monday following the Black Friday. And that will be on 27th of November 2023. Please keep in mind that these dates changes each year depending upon when is the last Friday of the year and the following Monday as well. So as I mentioned, it's an American thing, but does Australia have Black Friday as well? Well, Australians doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving Day. Over the last few years, Black Friday has been getting really good traction. I've been living in Australia for a while, but I can tell you that only from last 4 to 5 years, the Black Friday sales have picked up in Australia. So in the recent years, Australians have definitely embraced the Black Friday shopping tradition, as a lot of retailers usually offer huge discounts in Australia regarding different products and services. Now some of you might be wondering, what are the type of offers that are usually available on Black Friday in Australia? Now when it comes to looking for Black Friday deals, most of the people usually look for electronic items. So whether it's buying phones, laptops, TVs, fridges, or any other white household goods, these are some of the most popular things that people buy. But that doesn't mean people don't buy other things or retailers doesn't offer discounts on other items as well. Some of the other offers from other retailers could include furniture, clothing, and even food retailers also offer good deals on Black Friday. So if it's the first time you are going to be in Australia and you are going to shop on Black Friday, you will see many type of offers available. Personally, I like to shop online when it comes to Black Friday or any other shopping event because it avoids the hassle of going to the shops that are usually busy during this time frame. Some of the online popular retailers here in Australia include Amazon, eBay, MyDeal, Catch, and some other retailers like Kmart, Target, Myers, David Jones, and so on. So many retailers have their online stores as well where you can shop online. Now before we discuss some of the Black Friday deals that are already available, let's talk about how you can utilize some cashback services to make most out of this Black Friday. So in Australia, you will find many popular cashback services. That includes Top Cashback, Cash Rewards, and Shopback. And there might be some other smaller players in this market as well. But these are the top 3 cashback services. So when you're planning to buy any product or service, ideally if you can sign up to these cashback services, you can further save money on your shopping, as they usually provide you cashback if you shop through the links provided on these websites. If you want to sign up to any of these services, we'll leave the link of that in the description box below. Now at the time of shooting this video, there are not many websites that are revealing their Black Friday deals yet, but there are some retailers that are already offering some deals or they're announcing their deals for Black Friday. Let's look into some of them. So one of the first deal we have here is from Prezi. So you can get a bonus $10 smart e-gift card if you are buying $150 plus Black Friday smart e-gift card. So basically $10 extra if you're buying $150 gift card. Apart from that, Officeworks also revealed some of their Black Friday deals that include Pixel 8 phone for $977, Pixel 8 Pro for $1,377, and Samsung's T7 1TB Shield SSD for $98. LD has also revealed some of their deals. That includes LG's 31.5-inch Ultra HD monitor for $349, 70-inch 4K UHD TV for just $629, 40-inch TV Full HD Android for just $269, Lenovo Tab 3rd generation for $199, DeLonghi coffee machine for $179, and there will be 10% off on $25 pocket money prepaid digital gift cards as well. Next deal is from Casio watches. So if you are looking for getting Casio G-Shock, that is for $79 only. You can save nearly $120 on this deal from Casio Australia. And if you are someone who shop a lot from popular retailers like Officeworks, Catch, Bunnings, there is a 50% off 1-year membership from OnePass that allows you to access many offers from multiple retailers. Now, as I mentioned, not every retailers have revealed their deals. So what I suggest you to do, if you would like to know all the deals, follow us on Instagram, as we will be revealing Black Friday deals on our Instagram stories and probably some reels as well. And also sign up to our email newsletter, as we will be sending you a newsletter on a Black Friday itself to reveal the best deals for students. So if you don't want to miss out of any of the deals, I highly recommend you to follow us on Instagram and sign up for our newsletter as well. Now, before we wrap up this video, here are some quick tips regarding your Black Friday shopping. The first thing first, very importantly for students, is to create a budget. Please make sure that you create a budget on how much money you have and how much money you can spend. It's very critical in a student life. Every dollar matters. So it's important that you already know how much money you can spend on this Black Friday shopping, as there will be many enticing offers that will come in your face. So you have to decide which one you have to buy based on your budget and of course your priority. The second thing I suggest you to do is to shortlist the most wanted item for yourself. What I have done already, I have put my things in the cart on Amazon account, the things I'm really keen to buy on this Black Friday, as it makes much easier when these deals goes live. I'll just straight away order them without much hassle. You can do the same with other retailers as well, where you can actually shortlist some of the deals in your account itself. And if you can't shortlist in the account, I highly recommend you to take a note of what you really want to buy. One of my special tips for you guys is to wait until the midnight on the Black Friday itself. Usually some of the best deals are revealed right on 12 o'clock on a Black Friday itself. I have noticed it over the last few years that as soon as the clock turns to 12 in the midnight on a Black Friday, that's when Amazon and some online retailers reveal their best deals. Especially Amazon, they are very famous for dropping in some really good deals during those early hours of the morning. So you might have to wait until the midnight to get the best deal possible. I will surely be up at that time of the night to make sure to get the best deals. Another suggestion is to look for student discounts as well. Now we have a dedicated page for student discounts on our website. Go to that page, you will see many deals out there, and we have a specific codes that you can use when shopping online with some of these retailers. So why not take advantage of some of those student discounts? And there might be some other student discounts available on other websites as well. So make sure to check if there are any student discounts available from the retailers you're planning to buy. Next tip is regarding the prices. Always compare prices. So there is a chance that you might find a good deal on one of the websites, but it's always a good idea to do a quick Google search to see if other websites are selling it for cheaper as well. A lot of times I found that if there are other websites already reducing their prices, some popular retailers will also reduce their prices, sometimes even beat the prices. And last but not the least, only buy what you can afford and don't what you can't. As a student, it's important to budget everything, as I mentioned earlier. So please make sure to buy things that you can really afford to buy. There might be some very enticing offers, but hey, sometimes you have to stick to what's your budget. Now we are writing a Black Friday special blog on our website as well, and we will be updating the Black Friday page during that sales event. So as I mentioned earlier, make sure to follow us on Instagram, as we will be revealing some of the best Black Friday deals over there, and we will also link the blog article where we will have all our offers available for the Black Friday. We also have an Amazon store where you can check some of the shortlisted Black Friday deals. We'll leave the link of that in the description box below. You can go directly to our Amazon storefront. Now, if you are someone who's already working in Australia, chances are that you may not understand what is superannuation. So if that is the case, we have got a really useful video regarding superannuation in Australia, where we explain about how the superannuation system works. So I highly recommend you to check this video over here, and I'll see you there.